Hi, sweeties. I have some delicious beef ribs made in the air fryer, the Ninja Foodi Grill. So good. You are going to love this one. It's easy, takes a little time, but, well, I'll tell you all about it first. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and now let's get into these succulent, delicious, meaty beef ribs. We're gonna make beef ribs in our air fryer. We're using the Ninja Foodi Grill as our air fryer today. These are 5 pounds of beef chuck short ribs. Nice and meaty. They've got a good bit of fat on them as well. We're gonna season them well. You can mix up your own seasoning with salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and pepper. But today I'm gonna use some Montreal seasoning. It's got some fennel seed in there, a little red pepper flake. Cook it wrapped in foil first, and then take it out of the foil after it's nice and tender and put it back in the air fryer. You can add sauce if you want at the end. I'm going to keep mine with no sauce. Do you want sauce or no sauce? Let me know in the comments. We're using our Ninja Foodi Grill. We're going to use it on the bake mode. I'm setting the temperature to 350 degrees for an hour and 30 minutes, and it's already preheating. See, that meat is nice and well marbled. We're gonna make this super easy on ourselves. I've got 2 layers of foil here because we wanna make sure that the bones don't break a hole in our foil. We want it to be sealed up to keep all this juices in. Now let's sprinkle it with the Montreal seasoning. Rub it in all over. And you see, Montreal seasoning has big salt crystals in there, big chunks of dehydrated garlic granules, which is great for when you're cooking something low and slow. Rub that all around. Our meat is well seasoned. Let's wrap it up. And you can see we have it mostly in one layer. Just want to make sure that it all fits inside our Ninja Foodi in a packet. We could put a couple on top, ain't gonna hurt nothing. This foil pack is going to hold in all the steam and juices while our beef ribs cook, making them tender. Let's get you a little closer there. We've already taken out the air fryer basket because we're not using this right now. We'll use this a bit later. We're going to put this foil packet right straight into the bottom of the Ninja Foodi without. There we go. We'll close it down. Oops. And we'll come back in about an hour and a half. It's been an hour and a half. Let's check on those beef ribs and see if they're tender. Not quite tender enough, so we are going to wrap them back up and put them back in the Ninja Foodi Grill for about 35 minutes, and that should get us where we want to be. Let's take a look inside the Ninja Foodi Grill now. Open it carefully and watch out for that steam. Ooh. Ooh. And be careful because there's a lot of liquid in there. Here, let me show you close up. Look at that. Now that's nice and tender. That's what you're looking for. Nice and tender. Now we've got our air fryer basket. We'll go ahead and put that into the Ninja Foodi. Take those beef ribs. Let me give you a close-up on the beef rib. Yum. And put those into the Ninja Foodi Grill. Now, the real question is, to sauce or not to sauce? I personally like my beef ribs just like this. I'm gonna roast it, well, we're gonna air fry it so that it gets a nice roasty flavor, but I prefer mine with no sauce. The rest of my family likes sauce. I'm just gonna use a little bottled Sweet Baby Ray's. Uh-oh, am I running out? There we go. Excuse me. So I'm gonna leave some unsauced, and we're gonna brush some sauce on some. So some sauce, some unsauced. All right, let's turn that back on. And this time we will air crisp it. Let's go to 375. It just needs a minute or two. Time to flip them over and sauce the other side. Wow, that's beautiful. Look at that. Beef ribs all done in the air fryer, Ninja Foodi Grill. Delicious. Let's take it out. Let's see how tender it is. Let's see how tender it is. Look at this. No utensils here. No utensils. It just pulls apart. Juicy. Still hot. It's delicious. See, a nice crust forms on the outside. So good. And that is it. Beef short ribs in the air fryer in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Start them off low and slow, wrapped up in foil so they can cook in their own juices, get nice and tender, and then pull them out and you can roast them or air fry them. You can do this in whatever air fryer you have. You might have to adjust the amount that you can fit in your air fryer, but the basics are wrap them and season them, wrap them in foil, cook them low and slow, and then take them out and put them in the basket so they can get nice and crispy and brown. Increase the temperature and let them roast to get some of that char on them. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day. Be sure to look at more videos right over there.